Hey there, builders. Ever dreamed of breathing life into a machine? That's what we're doing today. Building a robot. It's easier than you think. No need to be a tech whiz. With a few basic parts and simple steps, you'll witness the magic of creation firsthand. Building your first robot is an amazing feeling. It's like opening a door to a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine your creation moving, reacting, and even thinking. Well, sort of. Get ready for a fun, challenging, and incredibly rewarding experience. This isn't just about following instructions, it's about learning, experimenting, and most importantly, having a blast. So, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of robotics? Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather our robot building arsenal. Don't worry, we're not talking about high-tech gadgets or expensive equipment. You can find most of these materials at your local electronics store or online. Here's what you'll need. A microcontroller, the brain of your robot. Motors, to make it move. Wheels or tracks, depending on your robot's style. A chassis, the robot's body. Sensors, to help it perceive the world. Batteries, to power it all up. Wires and connectors, to connect everything. Remember, this is just a basic list. You can always get creative and add more components later to give your robot unique abilities. For now, let's stick to the essentials. Now comes the exciting part, putting all the pieces together. Don't worry, we'll take it one step at a time. Building the base. Start by attaching the motors to the chassis. Make sure they're secure and can rotate freely. Then, attach the wheels or tracks to the motors. Your robot needs a good foundation. Connecting the brain. Next, connect the microcontroller to the motors and sensors using wires. This is where it gets a little technical, but don't fret. Follow the instructions that come with your microcontroller. Powering up. Now, connect the batteries to the microcontroller and make sure everything is properly wired. This is what will bring your creation to life. Congratulations, you've just built the physical structure of your robot. Now let's move on to the brains of the operation. Section 4, Troubleshooting 101, Conquering Common Challenges. Even the most experienced robot builders encounter challenges. Don't get discouraged if your robot doesn't work perfectly on the first try. Here are a few common issues and how to troubleshoot them. Check your battery connections and make sure the motors are receiving power. Also, double-check your code to ensure the motors are programmed to turn on. Make sure your sensors are properly connected and positioned. Test them individually to see if they're sending signals to the microcontroller. This could be due to loose connections or errors in your code. Check all your wiring and review your programming logic. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Troubleshooting is all part of the learning process. Section 5, Beyond the Basics, Expanding Your Robotics Horizons. Congratulations on building your first robot. Now that you've got the basics down, there's a whole world of possibilities waiting to be explored. Get creative and experiment with different sensors, actuators, and programming techniques. You can add arms, grippers, cameras, and more to enhance your robot's functionality. Join online communities, attend workshops, and participate in robotics competitions. The more you explore, the more you'll discover the incredible potential of robotics. Remember, this is just the beginning of your robotics journey. Keep learning, keep building, and most importantly, keep having fun. Section 6, Join the Revolution. The future of robotics awaits. Robotics is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's rapidly becoming an integral part of our lives. From self-driving cars to medical robots, the possibilities are endless. By learning about robotics, you're not just building cool gadgets, you're shaping the future. The skills and knowledge you gain today will be invaluable in tomorrow's world. So keep exploring, keep innovating, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one building the robots that change the world. The future of robotics is in your hands.